Train! Wow! Your train looks great! Let's set off! Welcome aboard Baby Bus Train! I'm your captain, Kiki! The train is about to start. Let's set off! Some sheep are on the train track. Let's drive them away. Good job. Let's continue on our way. We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the goods onto the train. Good job! Let's continue on our way. Let's head for the next station. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get on the train. Hi! Here's my ticket. Here is my ticket. Thank you. Here is my ticket. Thank you. Going. We have arrived at the inspection station. Let's check. The coal is not enough. Let's add some to the train. You're awesome! Let's keep going. There's a break in the track up ahead. Let's fix the track. You're awesome! Let's keep going. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get... We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get off the train. Hi! Hi! Stamp the train ticket. Here is my suitcase. Bye, baby bus little train. Stamp the train ticket. Here is my suitcase. Bye, baby bus little train. Hi, we're about to go on Baby Bus Little Train. Here is my ticket. Thank you. Here is my train ticket. Thank you. Going. The sand is blocking the way. Let's clear the track. You're awesome! Let's keep going. Wow! You have arrived at the... Hi!